Good afternoon, SY BSc student. Today we are going to discuss on botany paper first, semester first, taxonomy of angiosperm and plant ecology. And from this paper, the chapter third is the study of plant families, and seventh family is the family Nyctiagenaceae. Nyctiagenaceae is the family of the Bougainvillea spectabilis or the Mirabilis jalapa. This is belongs to the monoclamidae or apetali, that is calyx and corolla are absent, but instead of that there are the perianth is present, and flowers of this family are very small, so these flowers are supported by for the purpose of attract to the pollinating agents. They are supported by the large number of the bract. So these bracts sometimes looks like as a part of the flower, or so many people are saying that these are the flowers or they are the part of the plant. So here this family is actually, this is the image of this family, and this is the actual plant of this family, that is the Bougainvillea spectabilis, which is known as the Kagdi fool or which is known as the Bogan. And these family have the 34 genera and 450 species are distributed throughout the world, and out of these the 6 genera and 14 families species, they are reported from the India. Means this family is comparatively very small family, and in case of this one, the systematic position or the classification of this family, it have the division, that is division is phanerogams, that is the flowering plants. Then subdivision is angiosperms, that is ovules are enclosed in the ovary. Then class is class dicotyledons, seeds with 2 cotyledons. Then reticulate venation in the leaves, and flowers are always pentamerous. Then subclass is the apetali or monoclamidae, that is calyx and corolla are not differentiated, but instead of that the third part is formed, which is known as the tepals, and this tepal or the perianth, which is made up of the tepals. Series is curvembryi, the name itself indicates that the embryo is curved, and stamens are as many as perianth lobes. Then family Nyctiagenaceae, that is herb or shrubs with swollen nodes, and leaves are exstipulate with opposite type of phyllotaxy. Flowers are bisexual, large bract is present, and this bract, which is comparatively large and which is petaloid. Then genus is Bougainvillea, and lastly the species is the spectabilis. Morphological characters of the family. Habit. These plant are shrubs. Actually this plant is the shrub, or when we take the example of Mirabilis jalapa, it is herb. But in case of the Mirabilis jalapa, they have the presence of such type of the swollen petiole. Petiole is always swollen, and stem are green in color in Mirabilis jalapa. They are grows by its wood. They are erect, and they are woody. That is, in case of this Bougainvillea spectabilis, stem is also woody. They are round in shape, and the petiole or the nodal region is swollen. It is solid and branched. Then the leaves are simple, then petiolate. These are the leaves. They are simple. They having the stalk, so they are petiolate. Stipules are absent, only they have the presence of the thorns or the spines. Large thorns are present on the stem. So they are exstipulate, but thorns are present. And lip apex is pointed, acute lip apex. Venation is reticulate venation, like this. Margin is entire, and it shows the alternate type of phyllotaxy. Inflorescence is the cymose, and it shows the biparous type of the inflorescence. This is the actual plant of this family. Flowers are having the bract. We can mix the two equal part of the flower. So these flowers are actinomorphic. They are bisexual, that is in case of the flower single gynoecium is present and these androecium are present. So they are bisexual, androecium and gynoecium are present. 3 involucre are present. These are the large involucre. These 3 involucres or the bract is present, which are enlarged and colored, that often mistaken for the sepals. So many people say that these are the sepals. Uri is superior, so flowers are hypogynous. And when we observe this flower have the tepals are 5 in number. They are gamophilous. They shows the tubular type nature. That is, when you observe this flower, these flowers are tube-like. So they are tubular. They are permanent, persistent, and having the valvate type of aestivation. That is, tepals are 5, but lobes are 8 in number, and they shows the valvate type of aestivation. Then stamens are 8 in number. When we observe the stamens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 8 in number. Those are free. So stamens are 8. They are free. Filaments are unequal in length. When we observe this, some stamens are near to the throat. They are inside the tube, and some are above to the tube. So they are unequal in length. Filaments are unequal. Gynoecium is monocarpellary, then superior uri with basal type of placentation. Placenta arises from the base. One ovule in this chamber, in locule. Style long, and stigma is always hairy. This is the stigma. This stigma is hairy. And fruit is of achene type. What is nature of achene? That is, the actual seed and the seed coat gets separated. And such fruit is the dry and indehiscent. That is, such fruit never burst open by making the noise. They never open, but they are dry. They are brownish black in color. They are dry in nature. They never burst open, but they are dry and indehiscent. Then floral formula. Bract is present, so bracteate. We can mix the two equal part and more than 2 of the flower by passing the imaginary angle. So this is the actinomorphic. This is symmetry actually. Then both androecium and gynoecium are present, so bisexual. Perianth, tepals are 5. They are gamophilous. Stamens are 8 in number. They are free. Gynoecium monocarpellary, superior uri with basal type of placentation. Then floral diagram. Floral diagram shows the presence of 5 tepals. They are united to one another. They are gamotepalous and shows the valvate type of aestivation. Then stamens are 8 in number. They are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 8 in number. They are free. They never attach to the gynoecium or androecium. They are free. And this one is the gynoecium, that is placenta arises from the base. So basal type of placentation, monolocular, single chamber is there, single locule is there, and large bract is present. So bracteate, flower is bracteate, and this is the symbol of the actinomorphic. Typical characters of the family, which is known as distinguishing characters of the family. Herbs or shrubs with swollen node. Then leaves exstipulate, opposite. Flowers bisexual, bracteate, bract often enlarged and petaloid. Perianth 5, uniseriate. Stamens are 8 in number. Ovary monocarpellary, superior with basal type of placentation, and fruit is of achene type. Then economic importance of the family. Boravia diffusa is the first plant, which is known as Punarnava. Root is the appetitic, which is used for that purpose, and also used for curing the asthma and diseases of the eyes, as well as the jaundice, that is the diseases of the chest. It is very effective when there is the snake bite. Snake bite takes place. At that time, it is works as a antidote against the snake bite. Then next plant is the Mirabilis jalapa, which is known as Gulbakshi in Marathi. So it is grown in the garden, in the parks, in front of the houses, near to the temples, as a ornamental plant, because these plant have the yellow colored flower, this plant have the white colored flower, this plant have the pink colored flower, this plant have the mixed colored flower. So due to its flowers, they are cultivated in the garden, in the parks, as a ornamental plant. Leaves of this plant have the property to cure the inflammation. That is, when due to the injury, when the swelling takes place, to control the swelling, these plant, that is leaves, are applied on that. And when there is the problem of boils is there, on this boil, leaves are directly applied. They are also used as a haze plant due to its nature, as well as due to its crowded nature. This is last plant of this family, that is Bougainvillea spectabilis, which is known as the Kagdi phool or the bogan. Due to the presence of the thorns on the stem, it is also cultivated as a hedge plant near to the field, or near to the houses, or near to the bungalows. And due to its attractive flower, they are cultivated as a ornamental plant near to the in the garden, in the parks, or near to the government offices. So this is sufficient for today. Stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. Thank you very much.